Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply disable parental control in Google Play Store. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on family. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on parental controls. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to turn off this particular button. So I'm going to simply click on it and enter the pin. Then hit on OK. Boom. And the parental control has been fully disabled. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.